Well, now to an update on a news alert that we first told you about yesterday on Eyewitness News at noon. The Rhode Island Department of Health held a vaccination clinic today after 4 children in Coventry were diagnosed with the whooping cough. That clinic was held at Coventry High School. Vaccines were given out for pertussis, also known as the whooping cough. They also gave out flu and pneumonia shots as well. Parents who brought their children there say they're just trying to prevent their children from getting sick.
I was thinking I don't want my kids to get sick. Everybody is sick.
With all the sicknesses going around, figured better safe than sorry.
And 3 children at the Alan Sean Feinstein Middle School were diagnosed with the whooping cough, and 1 student at the Tioga Elementary School was also diagnosed.